Welcome all to my YouTube channel, and in this video we will study about the economic importance of algae. Okay, we will see what are the economic importance of algae. So firstly we will see some useful activities, that is food, and as we all know, food is necessary for all living being to growth, to development, and to be live. Food is necessary. So algal species are becoming a popular food to the mankind because of its high nutritive value. Because of its high nutritive value, algae is more yield per unit area than conventional crops. Got it? Because of their high nutritive value, the algae is useful and also used since ancient era. Algae is used as food. Okay? Then algae which are commonly used as food that are listed below. They are Chlorella, Chondrus crispus, Corium, Porphyra, Rhodymina, Olva. These are the most common algae which are used in food of algae. Then we'll study details about that, how much quantities of proteins, lipids are there in each algae. High nutritive algae. The first one is Chlorella, high nutritive value and can compared with soybeans. As we all know, the soybeans, that is glycine-max, and that is most high nutritive value also. And if you compare the Chlorella with the soybean, we will find that Chlorella contain carbohydrate 30%, protein 30%, lipid content 15%, which is nearly equal to the nutrition value of soybean. Then the vitamin B content is very high in Chlorella, but the digestion of the cell wall is a problem to the human. This is the main problem. All other are good for health and high nutritive value. Then we will see Chondrus crispus. This algae, Chondrus crispus, is a red algae. This is commonly known as iris moss, and the algae is cooked with milk and with addition of vanilla, and it makes a high popular dish which is known as black mangus. Black mangus is a popular dish that prepared from Chondrus crispus, which is a red algae. Then the next point is gelatinous carbohydrate obtained from his algae is used in pudding dish used, and this is Chondrus crispus. It is used as stabilizer and cleaning agent in beer industry. Also in beer industry, Chondrus crispus is used as stabilizer and as a cleaning agent. Corium and Olva, these are the used as salad in Japan. Two algae, one is Corium and Olva. These are used in Japan for preparing salad. Then we will next see the Porphyra. Porphyra is seaweed belong to the Rhodophyceae, and it contains carbohydrate 40 to 45%, protein content is 30 to 35%, and vitamin B and C rich content is there. The common name of the food item are laver or nori, which is very famous in Japan, and also asked in some entrance examination that nori is a special food in Japan, which algae is prepared from it. That is Porphyra, and Tisai in China, Sloak in Britain. Got it? Then Laminaria. Laminaria is a rich carbohydrate that have 57% of carbohydrate, and commonly used food is kombu. Kombu is a most famous food that prepared from Laminaria. Got it? Then Aremia palm atta is used to prepare a salty confection known as dulce. Then Monostroma is in Japan it is used for the preparation of common food known as anori. As you studied, nori is prepared from Porphyra, and as like anori prepared from Monostroma. Got it? Then Spirulina. Spirulina is a rich in protein, that is high protein content, that is 60%, Vitamins and unsaturated fatty acids are there. It is used as tablet prepared by the CFTRI and Moisture. The central lab is present in Moisture of CFTRI. Then Scandesmos is rich in protein and threonine. Nostoc commonly is a boiled and used as soap in China. Got it? Nostoc is a blue-green algae. The species is commonly that is boiled and used as soap making in China. Then Spirogyra and Odogonium in South India is used to prepare food green laver. Green laver is a South Indian food dish that prepared from Spirogyra and Odogonium. Then next major use is fodder. Many algae become popular as fodder due to their vitamins and macronutrients in addition to their carbohydrate and protein content. The fat content of milk becomes increased with the addition of sea algae as fodder. Okay, the milk content of the cow increase by adding sea algae as fodder. Okay, then algae commonly used as fodder that listed below, that are Fucus, Laminaria, Sargassum, Alaria, Rhodina, Ascophyllum, Macrocystis. These are the common algae which are used as fodder. Then in the next parameter is industry. Algae has been used to develop many products of commercial and pharmaceutical importance. They are agar-agar, which is prepared from Glacilaria, carrageenan, alginic acid, diatomaceous, funerary, medicine, antibiotics, anti-helminthic drugs also, and also biofertilizer. In industrial sector, these are used and has also importance in case of the pharmaceutical company. The next is, we will study them in details. Okay, first one is agar-agar, obtained from Gelidium, Gelidium nudiformis, Gelidium pusillum, Gelidium robustrum, and Glacilaria, as I told in the previous slide. So agar is obtained from Gelidium nudiformis, Gelidium pusillum, Gelidium robustrum, and Glacilaria verrucosa, and also from different species of Chondrus and Gigatina and Pterocladia, and is used as food, pharmaceuticals, and laboratory and cosmetic products. The next is carrageenan. Carrageenan is obtained from the cell wall of the Gigatina, Chondrus and Eucheuma. This is obtained from carrageenan is a product in industries used and is obtained from Chondrus cell wall, and also Eucheuma, and also from the Gigatina stellata. It is a phylocoel consists of K carrageenan and lambda carrageenan. Then the carrageenan acts as a blood coagulant and it is used to stabilize emulsions to cure cough, and it is also used to a component of deodorants, cosmetics, toothpaste and paints, etc. The next is alginic acid. Salt of alginic acid are extracted from the cell wall of some brown algae such as Fucus, Macrocystis, Laminaria, Duvelia and Lawsonia. Got it? The next is alginic acid continues. The uses of alginic acid are listed below, as thicker the preparation of sauce, soap, cream, etc. It is also used in textile industries such as printing paste and cosmetics. Also as a emulsifier and emulsion paint and polish. Also as a gelling agent in confectionery, powder paints and ice creams. It is also used in the production of artificial fibers and plastic rubbers. Got it? This was all uses about the alginic acid. Then diatom. After the death of the diatom, as you know, diatom is a bacillophytes group's members, and the cell outer silica deposition in their cell wall, and the silicified cell becomes accumulated at the bottom of the water, and these deposits are called diatomates or diatomaceous earth. Got it? Their use is as filter, as insulator, as absorber of liquid nitroglycerin, and absorb substrate for manufacture of metal paints. There are such use of diatomates. Okay. Then next is funerary. It is a type of glue obtained from the Gloepeltis furcata. Funerary, it is a type of glue algae. It is obtained from the Gloepeltis furcata. It is used in cosmetic industry for curling hairs and dyeing. And also is agent in paper and textile industry. And lastly, it is used for medicine, that is chlorine. This is an antibiotic extracted from chlorella. In China, that is an anti-helminthes dog tiscotisoi is prepared from Degenia simplex. Remember this thing, Degenia simplex. Okay, an anti-helminthic dog, that is tiscotisoi, is prepared from which algae? That algae is Degenia simplex. And various algae rich in source of iodine. And the last is biofertilizer. Algae is also used as biofertilizer. Nostoc anemone, these are used in crop field and also can fix the atmospheric nitrogen, and they are rich in source of mineral like copper, chromium, iron, zinc, etc. And they also help in the disposal of sewage. They are broadly used in the biological experiments and used as production of the H2 fuel. So this was all about the economics and useful importance of the algae, and that's all about for today's video.